Welcome back. After the break, an incident of firing near the Court Road in Budgam town of the Budgam district. This is in central Kashmir. The entire area has been sealed by security forces. Currently, remember yesterday there was an encounter that broke out between the security forces and terrorists in Budgam, which followed a search operation in the region. Going across to my colleague Tejinder Singh Sodhi, who brings us details of this latest firing. Tejinder, what more are you learning about this incident?
Shilpa, the security forces have sealed the entire area, and the information which we have got so far is that the terrorists, two terrorists, they were traveling in a private vehicle in the area, and when they were stopped by the security forces, they started firing towards the security forces. We are told that two civilians have been injured in this firing incident. The entire area has been cordoned off, and the efforts are on to hunt these two terrorists. So the entire area has been sealed, and you rightly pointed out that in this very same district yesterday there was an encounter which followed after security forces got the inputs about the presence of terrorists in the area. But now we are told that this incident happened when two terrorists, they were traveling in a vehicle and they were stopped by the security forces. Two civilians have sustained injuries. They have been shifted to the hospital, but as we speak, the entire area has been cordoned off by the Jammu and Kashmir police, by the army and the CRPF. So efforts are on to trace the terrorists and neutralize them. Yes, Shilpa.
Tejinder, in yesterday's encounter that took place, do we have any information about the terrorists who fired upon our security forces during those search operations? And are these two incidents connected, the firing today, or is it too early to tell? Are you still awaiting details for that?
Shilpa, it would be too early to say that the terrorists who were involved in the encounter in the Magam area of Budgam district yesterday, they are the same who were traveling in this vehicle today. It would only be ascertained after the Jammu and Kashmir police comes out with a statement. But yesterday we are told that though the operation in that area is still on, but it seems that the terrorists, they succeeded in giving security forces a slip in that area. Today, security forces had the inputs about terrorists traveling in a vehicle, and that is why special nakas were laid out in the entire township. But when this vehicle in which these two suspected terrorists, they were traveling, the vehicle was stopped near the Court Road in Budgam. The terrorists started firing towards the security forces and managed to run from that area. But the sources within the security forces are saying that the terrorists, they have been trapped in the area and they would soon be neutralized. Yes, Shilpa.
Thank you very much for bringing us up to date with that, Sojinder. Now we